Hi all, welcome to our 10th standard maths. Let us start arithmetic progressions. AP definition. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to a preceding term except the first term. Let us consider a list of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 is a list of numbers. Here these are all terms. 2 is a term, 4 is a term, 6 is a term, 8 is a term. These are all terms in AP. Terms. Fixed number. Let us find fixed number. Here let us take A1 as 2, A2 4, A3 6, A4 8. Two A1, A3, A4. Let us find the fixed number. Let's take any two difference between any two consecutive numbers. A2 minus A1. 4 minus 2. 2. Next two consecutive numbers. A3 minus A2. 6 minus 4. A4 minus A3. 8 minus 6. 2. So here also 2. Here 2 is a fixed number. 2 is a fixed number. The fixed number is denoted as D and it is called common difference. Common difference. Remember that common difference can be positive, negative or 0. D value may be positive, negative or 0. We can find common difference D using any two consecutive terms. Any two consecutive terms. Here condition is the terms are in AP. The numbers are in AP. Let us find first term and common difference. Here first term is denoted by A. First term is denoted by A. Let us find first term and common difference. For the following APs, write the first term and common difference. First example, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Here first term is 3. Common difference is difference between any two consecutive number. A2 minus A1. Here 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Therefore D is minus 2, A is 3. You can take any two consecutive number. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. Next example. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. Here first term is minus 5. Common difference is second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. Minus 1 minus plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4. Therefore A is minus 5, D is 4. Next example, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. Here first term is 1 by 3. Common difference is 9 by 3. Third term minus second term. Let us take third term minus second term. Here LCM is 3. 9 minus 5. 5 means 4. 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is the common difference. Next example, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. Here first term A is 0.6. Common difference D is 1.7 minus 0.6. Second term minus first term. Here 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. Let us see one more example. AP is 3 by 2, half, minus 3 by 2. First term is 3 by 2. Common difference is second term minus first term. Here 2 is the LCM, 1 minus 3, minus 1. Therefore, D can be found using any two consecutive terms if the numbers are in AP or terms are in AP. Standard form or general form of an AP: A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. General form of an arithmetic progressions: A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, where A is first term, D is common difference. Where A is first term, D is common difference. If there are only a finite number of terms, if there are only a finite number of terms, that is AP has a last term. That is AP has a last term. Such AP is called a finite AP. Finite AP. For example, 1, 2, 3 up to 20. Here last term is 20. Such an AP is called a finite AP. If APs do not have a last term, so they are infinite AP. Infinite AP. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If APs do not have a last term, therefore in this case AP do not have a last term, therefore it is infinite AP. Next example, which of the following list of numbers does form an AP? If they form an AP, write the next two terms. Which of the following forms an AP? If they forms an AP, find the common difference and the 3 write next two terms. Here list of numbers given. We have to check whether list of numbers forms an AP or not. First list of numbers 4, 10, 16, 22. Let us check these list of numbers forms an AP or not, we have to find difference between two consecutive terms. A2 minus A1, 10 minus 4, 10 minus 4, 6. Next consecutive difference, A3 minus A2, 16 minus 10, 6. A4 minus A3, 22 minus 16, 6. So here we can say difference of any two consecutive terms in each case is same. In each case is same. So the given list of an list is an AP. So the given list is an AP whose first term A is equal to 4, common difference D is equal to 6. Next list of numbers 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. We have to check whether these list of numbers forms an AP. If you want, you can write A1, A2, A3, A4. We have to find common difference. A2 minus A1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Next consecutive terms, A3 minus A2, minus 3, minus of minus 1, minus 3, minus minus plus 1, therefore minus 2. A4 minus A3, A4 is minus 5, A3 is minus 3, minus 5, minus minus plus 3, minus 2. Here common difference is same every time. Common difference is same every time. We can say difference of any two consecutive terms in each case is same. Difference of any two consecutive terms in each case is same. So the given list is an AP. So the given list is an AP whose first term is 1, common difference is minus 2. Let us see one more example. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Let us check these list of numbers forms an AP or not. A1, A2, A3, A4. Let us find common difference first. A2 minus A1, 5 by 2 minus 2. Here 2 is the LCM. Here 1. 5 minus 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Half. Next difference, common difference. A3 minus A2, 3 minus 5 by 2. Here again LCM is 2. Here 6. 1 2s are 2, 3 into 2, 6 minus 5. Again half. Last difference, A4 minus A3, 7 by 2 minus 3. Here 2, 7 minus 6, half. Here the difference of any two consecutive terms in each case is same. So the given list is an AP. First term is 2, common difference is half. Therefore, given list of numbers form an AP. Next two terms. Here we have to find next two terms, A5 and A6. A5, A4, fourth term plus common difference. Fourth term plus common difference. Fourth term is 7/2 plus common difference half. Therefore, here 8/2 means 4. Next, fifth term is 4. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 4 plus common difference. 2 is the LCM. 8 plus 1. 9/2. 9/2. Next two terms. You have to add common difference. Let us see one more example. -10, -6, -2, 2. Let us check this list of numbers is forms an AP or not. First, A2 minus A1 -6 minus plus 10. 4 plus 10 minus 6 plus 4. A3 minus A2 -2 minus plus 6 plus 2 -2 minus plus 6 -2 plus 6 plus 4. A4 minus A3 2 minus plus 2 4 plus 4. Therefore, here the difference of any consecutive terms in each case is same. So the list of given numbers forms an AP with first term -10, common difference D is 4. Next two terms A5, A4 plus D. A6, A5 plus D. Let's substitute A4 is 2. In the place of D, 4. A5, 2 plus 4, 6. A5 is 6 plus common difference 4. Next two terms are 6 and 10. Let 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 3 plus 3 root 2 forms an AP or not. Here let us find difference of two consecutive terms, second term minus first term. Here root 2, third term minus second term, third term minus second term. Here root 2 is common, take outside. Here root 2. Next fourth term minus third term. Fourth term is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus third term is 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 3 minus 3 cancels. Here root 2 is common, 3 minus 2. Here also root 2. In each case the common difference is same. In each case the common difference is same. Therefore given list is an AP. So the given list is an AP whose first term is 3, common difference is root 2. Next two terms A4 plus common difference, A5 plus common difference. A4 means 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. Here 3 plus 4 root 2. 4 root 2. Here A5 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2. How much? 3 plus here root 2 is common, take outside, 4 plus 1 5. 5 root 2. Next list of numbers 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 and so on. Let's take A1, A2, A3, A4. It forms an AP or not. Take the difference, second term minus first term. Here 0.22 minus 0.2, 0.02. Next A3 minus A2, third term 0.222 minus 0.22. Here 0.002. A4 minus A3 is 0.2222 minus 0.222. Here is 0.0002. We can say difference between any two consecutive terms is not the same. Difference between any two consecutive terms is not the same. So this is not an AP. D is not the same. Therefore is not an AP. This is not an AP. Next root 2, comma root 8, comma root 18, root 32. Here root 8 is equal to 4 into 2. 4 can be written 2 square. 2 square into 2. Here 2 square into 2 can take 2 outside, 2 root 2. Similarly root 18, 9 2s are. Here 3 square into 2. Here 3 outside, 3 root 2. Here next 32. Here are 32 root 16 into 2. 4 square into 2. 4 root 2. Therefore root 2, root 8, 3 root 2, root 18. Here root 8, 2 root 2, root 18, 3 root 2, root 32, 4 root 2. So A2 minus A1, 2 root 2 minus root 2. Here root 2 is common, 2 minus 1, root 2 a3 minus a2, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, root 2 is common, 3 minus 2 root 2, a4 minus a3, root 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, 4 minus 3 root 2. Therefore, here difference of any consecutive terms, any two consecutive terms in each case is same, root 2. Therefore, given list is an AP whose first term is root 2, common difference is also root 2. Next two terms, a5, a4 plus d, a4 is 4 root 2 plus root 2, 5 root 2. Here root 2 common, take outside, 4 plus 1, 5 root 2, a6, a5 plus d, 5 root 2 plus root 2, 6 root 2. So we conclude that common difference or difference between any two consecutive terms in each case is same, then the given list is an AP. Or difference between any two consecutive terms is not the same, common difference is not the same, then given list is not an AP. Write the first four terms of the AP when first term and common difference are given. We have to write first four terms of AP when we know first term and common difference. First example, A is equal to 10, D is equal to 10. We have to write first four terms. We know that first term A1 is equal to given 10, A2 we can write A1 plus common difference. A1 means 10, common difference also know 10, therefore 20. A3 is A2 plus common difference, A2 20, common difference 10, 30. First four terms, A4, A3 plus common difference, A3 30 plus common difference 10, therefore 40. First four terms 10, 20, 30, 40. We can solve using one more. We can solve this using general form of an AP also. General form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. First four terms, A 10, A plus D, 10 plus 10, 10 plus 2 into 10, A plus 3 into 10, 10, 20, 10 2s are 20, 20 plus 10, 30, here 30 plus 10, 40.